friends, in this video we will see how we can add the hashtags in our YouTube videos. So let's get started. For this, first you need to log in into your YouTube account and you must be on your home page like I'm on my home page right now. So in here, first you need to click on the customize channel and, uh, and after that you need to go to the video manager. So here you are on your channel videos. So now I will add my hashtag on my this video. So I just click on this detail and now the title description and the video title is over here. So in the description I will add my hashtags. I have these hashtags. The only thing you need to remember, you can only put up to 3 hashtags in your video. So you must have think about that before you putting this hashtag because the number of hashtags are limited over here. So I put 3 hashtags, first my channel name, then these 2 hashtags, and that and now I will save the video. Now as you can see the hashtags has been added, and when you open that video you can see those hashtags. Here hashtags are available over here, as you can see. Thank you for watching my video and do subscribe and like my video. Thank you.